Hey, great guys here on this very, very wet time of the year. Well, not time of the year, it's just this year. So looking out there, oh, you can't really see much out there. It's just rain. Got to get up the driveway yet somehow, but what do we got here? We have a FREEDA. Oh, that lighting's terrible. I had to do it because of these fluoros, which have really got to go, the UFOs. FREEDA is ready for delivery. Well, when I say delivery, it's not like it's a job that we've done from top to bottom and delivering it to the customer. This has been a DIY job for the owner with a bit of help from us. So Liane has single-handedly worked on the rust on this panel replacement we had to do, stitched in back lower parts. I think we had done battery trays, floor sections up the front, all that. And she's going to meet us down the road a bit. We're going to drive it there in the rain and meet her there, and she's going to drive it the rest of the way home. Finally going home. It's been about a year in the making of coming out every now and then. Most of the time it was one day a week, and there was, you know, a period there when we had our floods and, you know, where she didn't come out for a fair while, which is understandable. It's definitely a work in progress. There's more things going to happen with it, but it's roadworthy and registered. We ended up wrestling with that shifter last night. We tried to put the standard shifter in, and there was a missing bush down in the bottom, the gear rod bush, and that meant that was a bit of a no-go. So yeah, the door trims have all got to be covered, but, you know, tidied up. I finished off those hubcaps for her yesterday. She just wanted them painted, and I thought, oh, they look a bit plain white, so we added the body colour VW symbol. We got the 123 ignition in, and admittedly we've only driven the Gatton and back, but it did give it a highway run, and when she's purring along she goes all right. The main problem we were having was with changing the gears, but if Liane can get it home, then she can get her mechanic to you know, fit a new gear rod bush at the front end there, and that'll tighten everything up and possibly put the standard shifter back in. So that's what's going on. Just thought I'd give you a quick look around of how it come up. Liane is very happy. You know, she's gonna have to get new felts and stuff like that. Gonna finish off the interior. So yeah, most of the work. Oh, damn, that's tight. Yeah, okay, that's not in properly there. That's all twisted. Anyway, yeah, so most of the work's going to be on the inside now, which is the least important. You know, she did going to have to put a few more screws on the door trims and cover them up. My wife Linda just temporarily put a bit of fabric across there because we thought the colours looked cool, and even though it's upside down, but because the fabric was along there looked like it had a fair bit of history and it wasn't pretty, so it had to go. So with the turf down, it's neat enough now to just drive it. We ran out of time to fit the tray that goes under the dash, but Liane will have to do a bit more work on it at her own place, at her own pace as well. So you know, that's how it is. This car was at Valor 2016. That sticker's a bit perished. We might bloody get that off. But yeah, there's gonna be little bits and pieces for Liane to do, but she can do them at home. and she'll be able to drive it around the coast. So if you see her around, give her a toot and a wave. So the car's called FREEDA, and it's been a real sort of budget orientated work, you know, owner wanted to learn how to do some stuff, and that she has done a great job, I think. And it's not perfect by any means, wasn't supposed to be. So oh yeah, how's the whistle? Is that it? Oh, oh yeah, so that was an added bonus from the last owner. So Andrew's gonna drive this.
Try.
We should film it, eh?
Yeah.
Trying to get up. No, I'll have to push.
No, I'll try, and I'll roll back if I can't, and then we'll push. So
All
just
right.
shut the door, try and get up.
Oh, I was just gonna bloody put this out for 1 second. All right, I'm gonna cut this video off. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Just trying to get it to line up, to get a bit of a run up to get out of the yard. I don't know how this is going to go. She is so bloody wet, but we will get the neighbour's four-wheel drive if we can't get it out. It's just going to send it. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes. Got it out. Woo. Good job. Good old combi, buddy. Traction. I'm not going to stand out here in the rain, so it is time for FREEDA to go.